Hello again. As we go through this week, it looks very much like it is going to turn increasingly mild, especially so across southern England, where we could see 16 or 17 by the time we get to Wednesday. But that doesn't mean it's going to be dry. We're also looking at wet and windy conditions. Now, on the air mass chart, you can see the yellows and the ambers indicating that it's going to be very, very mild, especially so for the time of year. As we go through today, though, for some of us, it will be relatively mild for the time of year, not as mild as we're expecting. We've got this band of rain turning lighter, more patchy in nature as it pushes northeastwards, windy behind it. Ahead of it, still a fair bit of cloud with some showers across parts of Scotland, but there'll be some sunny spells developing as well across parts of Scotland, Northern England and Northern Ireland. Now, as we go through the night, we've got the remnants of our front still producing a fair bit of cloud murky conditions. Clear skies across the north of Scotland means here you can expect a frost, some patchy mist and fog, and then a new band of rain swings in across Northern Ireland, North Wales, Northern England and southern Scotland. Now, if we pick that up tomorrow, it's going to continue its journey, eventually moving off into the North Sea. After a cold start, we'll see some sunshine in Scotland, and behind the weather front, you can see all this cloud, but it should brighten up towards the west. But it's going to be a windy day, especially across England and Wales, but with exposure, it is going to be particularly gusty. These white circles represent the average wind speeds. Gusts will be more than that, and our temperature is 7 to about 12 degrees. As we move then from Tuesday into Wednesday, we've got this weather front connected to an area of low pressure coming our way, bringing wet and windy conditions with it as well. So the rain continues to push across Northern Ireland, Northern England, North Wales and Scotland. Behind it, some clearer skies. But again, it's going to be another windy day. Around the coasts, we could have gusts as much as 50 miles an hour, but note the temperatures, 7 in Lerwick, 16, possibly 17 as we push farther south. So very mild for the time of year. Normally it's roughly 6 to 8 north to south. On Thursday, still mild. We've got the southwesterly wind with this rain pushing northwards and eastwards, limited amounts of brightness, and our temperatures 8 in the north to about 15 as we sweep down towards the south.